Hi guys, I have a little bit of sad news. Since this is my first time to go live in YouTube, there's a new setting required that it takes 24 hours for an account to be able to go live. I got this message, ready in 24 hours. It takes 24 hours to activate your account for live streaming. Once activated, you can go live instantly. I'm so sorry. We're all ready now. I'm here with my friends. Mark is here. The DTI representative is here. I'm so sorry, guys.
Sorry.
What if we will do this tomorrow na lang? Okay, Ramo? I hope you're still there. 24 hours after. Let's go. Let's bring it on. I hope you'll still join us tomorrow. Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
So tomorrow, please be with us. It only means one thing. For those who have not complied with the requirements just yet, we're already verifying. You see?
And here.
Yeah, and
And
Wait.
we have already prepared the...
there.
There! Look, your names are there. So I hope tomorrow you will still be there. By the way, we noticed some of you did not comply with the mechanics like sharing in public or doing the hashtag Happy2K Marco from Cebu and tagging 5 friends. So please, tomorrow you still get a chance to correct it. I hope you will still be there tomorrow. Pasensya gid kaayo. I'm so sorry. Yung ulo kay ko, but of course, I didn't know about this. So, I hope you will still be there tomorrow. Okay? Please join us still tomorrow. Kung namo tomorrow, I'll have more prize.
Oh.
Mangayo ko sa sponsors. Alright guys, bye-bye. I'm so sorry. Bye. Bye.